Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queens. We are going to make a Rudolph selfie ornament. That's what we're calling it. We're going to take a few different round shapes from the craft room and just get our trace lines where we want them. I use a pencil because I was erasing the ones that I didn't want. Once I got the nose size how I wanted it, I just traced out that round shape and then colored it in with red paint. And then I'm going to get some white and some brown on my plate, and I'm going to mix up like a tan color. I'm going to lay this down first on the wide part of his nose, and then I'm going to go in and get some darker and some lighter texture in there just to make it look more like fur. And we're going to do the same thing with his head. So I'm going to lay a base down in, and then I'm just going to go through and add some different colors to give it some different texture. We will be giving him ears as well. Y'all know I almost forgot the antlers altogether, right? It was like the last step I do. I totally forgot. Okay, so there's some ears. Now he's got some texture. He's looking kind of fuzzy. And then we're going to give them a dry. And then I took some of this extreme glitter hologram paint is what it's called, and I put that just on his nose. It dries clear so we can still see the red underneath. And then I used the end of a foam brush to do his eyes and eyebrows, and then I used my dotting tool for some eye shine. And here's where I remembered the antlers. His antlers. I didn't leave any space for his antlers, y'all. Better luck next time, right? So I do some brown for his antlers. I give all that a good dry. And then we are going to give him one more layer of that extreme glitter hologram. And I'm going to take a palette knife and place some white paint here and there to make it look like snow. So I started with the wider part of his nose, and then we're going to put some on his head as well. I even put a tiny bit on his red nose and then on his antlers also. You could go around the edge of the wood slice with this. You could do this in the background on the raw wood color, or flick some faux snow back there. There's a lot of different ways you could do this. I just ended up putting it on the painted areas, and I thought it looked so sweet, you guys. He's going to get all sealed up and ready to go. He's a Christmas gift. I appreciate y'all watching. You have a great day.